Hey everybody, I am getting ready to have my lunch today, and I wanted to talk a little bit about the containers, because if you've been using the containers on the 21-day fix approach or like portion fix system or anything like that, a lot of the times people will ask, do I have to use the containers forever? And in fact, like the answer is totally no. It's really just like to learn your portion sizes, and then to just help keep you on track in the future if like you're forgetting like what a portion size should look like, or you're not, you're getting a little loosey-goosey with your nutrition. This was some broccoli I steamed up last night. I made some extra. I'm just gonna do half of my plate with green. I'm gonna come over here. So this is some quinoa that I made, and I made it extra large portion the other day, and so it's nice because I can just reach for it instead of having to like make a new meal or make new food every single time I eat. Like I can't deal with that. I can either portion it out using a measuring cup, which is also half a cup, which is the exact same as a yellow container, or I know that one portion size of a carb for me is also about 3.5 tablespoons, which is makes life really easy. If you've meal prepped some food or pasta or whatever you've, got some sweet potato, and you're gonna do, I know that mine is gonna be just about 3.5 tablespoons of food, of carbs, to equal one serving. Okay, so 3.5, there we go. I pack it down. And so like, I actually don't even need to use my measuring cup, because I just have it in my memory that 3.5 tablespoons of a carb is like my serving size. I'm gonna have some of this turkey breast. I don't typically like lunch meats, but I really like this one because the ingredients are, it's turkey and turkey broth. And so I really like it. Has no MSG, no nitrates, no nitrites added, no hormones, anything like that. So it's a super clean option. It's the Columbus brand. If you're looking for that, you can probably find it in your grocery. Again, like, don't feel like if you are starting with those containers, like you're gonna have to use them forever, because the answer is no. It's just for you to learn what your portion size is, have that in your mind, and then, kind of go forward with however you're gonna be eating based on what you actually need to reach your goals each day.